Okay. Okay, just to package your file for with your teammates, you only want to exchange the things that you build. Because a lot of other packages that you install in the future is going to make your package, but you don't have to share installed packages. But when you give out your package and you need to tell your teammates what kind of list packages you need to install, that is not you that you're sharing. All right. So it's a complete. All right. So you go to assets, export package, and then just really review and tick only things that you build, export, and then export. And then I just made a folder called package. There is already called packages, so it's not a good name. So it's okay, but make a different name. And then let's say this is a circle packing with slider. Then once it's done, you go to that exact folder. Go to this package folder and you have this kind of file. All right. And then on a new program, you can import that, import package and custom package. So what you want to exchange is this Unity package file. And I have already shared. So in Unity workshop day 2, I shared this package. Boys with slider, yes. Yeah, everything is there. So what you do is you open a brand new Unity file and just import this. You will see everything. Okay. So if you are good, you can open a new thing. You can open a brand new package is better. Do you want me to start from a package? Maybe? Okay. Let me close this, which is going to take a moment. One thing, I want you guys to download 2 things. One is this day 1 at the end. So this is the end of day 1. And then this one. So inside day 2 folder, there is a folder called boys end. Please download this one. I'm gonna you have this for this is the one from day 1. Okay. So what I'm gonna show you is okay. I have a I'm gonna delete all of this. This file, there's nothing really. I have this, so I'm going to create a folder called prefabs. And this is a brick prefab and sphere, doesn't matter. And I have seen, I don't have anything inside the script folder. I'm gonna delete this. Correct? You only have this prefab prepared and then empty scene, all right? Okay, let's bring this one. So this is from yesterday, okay? I'm just putting the slider thing one more time because I also, so I'm gonna bring it in Is this all good? Until here, right? Okay. Right click, create an empty, reset, voids, and then hook up the voids, and then prefabs. Save yes. Play. Okay, then I'm gonna go closer. Then stop the game, set my camera, Shift Control F, and let's go back to our void script. All right. System. And agent. Okay. And what do we control? Let's control the separation. No. Yeah, let's just control the separation strength. Shall we do that? Okay. I'm going to bring a slider by say using Unity engine .ui. And then here we are going to get a public slider. I'm gonna call it separation slider. I'm gonna go back to my Unity. Back to my Unity. Right click, UI, create a slider. Make sure I am on full HD. And I align this on the bottom. And I'm gonna scale this. Gonna move it. I'm watching both scene and the game scene. So when I have it in a correct position, I'm happy with it. Let's set the value. So the strength can be from 0, -1. Okay, 0 to 1. You can start from 0.1. Okay. Cool. Now you go to voids, path slider to the separation slider. Now let's do something about the value. First, let's test if the value is correct, printing okay though. In the console, we are going to go to voids. Sorry, not this one. Not this. Yes. Okay, so let's print this value in update. So separation slider, Control C. So I can actually print it here to see. Print. Time. Like this. Slider dot value. Okay. And play. Okay. Now, if I change this, but it doesn't affect the movement. It's only printing. Okay, we know that the slider is working well. And then how do you ensure that the agent can read this information? Basically, we are going to go to system and make a variable over system, because agent can access the system, boys can access the system, right? So go to your system, and then here in the global variable, you set a public called, what was that, separation strength. And let's give a 0.1f. Is this okay? Cool. But we need to let separation strength also get updated every time, right? So we want separation strength to be updated, update. Okay. Control V, separation strength is void dot, sorry. We don't have voids here. Okay. We need to access this voids. We are going to get it. So say voids dot separation slider dot value. But because we are not reading this one, so we can go up and bring voids and assign voids like this. And then go back, because it's still erroring because the spelling mistake, lowercase. But actually, I am not really having any voids information yet. So that's why you go back to voids. And when you're creating the void system, after you create it, ask what is a void. There it's erroring because it's not a public. I need to make this into public. And come back. And then say is. And this means the void system will recognize the voids. And now all the agents already know the system. So that's why now, if you go to voids agent, you can use this number by accessing void system dot strength. Control S. Is that relationship okay? Okay, that's it. So you go back, play. Hope it's no error. Then you can actually change the separation strength.